nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig, matagal na akong naghihintay, ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
You know what? You know, something just struck me. I don't know whether I like you better belting or singing this way. Because dito, when you sing this way, saka lumalabas yung talagang boses mo. Di ba, Poy? No, I've just realized that because lagi kang nagugulpiti-gulat with belting eh. But when you sang now, I was hearing Larnie. Di ba? That was very, very good. Very good.
Sir.
Halika naman, Boogie Wonderland. Now I'll deal with my problem with Boogie.